Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log in Costco Citi Card online account, right? So it's very easy guys, you have to just go to Google and you can type here Costco Citi, or even you can type here Citibank, right? So if I just hit the enter, you can see I will just get this. So just so once you're here, just click on the first link, which is basically the official website of Citi, right? And here you will get this Costco everything, and on the right side you will see this option which is called sign on, right? So you have to just click here. If you didn't make account, then just click on open an account, and after that opening account you can just log in, right? Once it load here, you will get this interface like this, and here you will find your user ID and password. So basically you have to add your user ID and your password, right? Once you add it, if you want to that login forever in your PC or laptop or your phone, just click on remember user ID, and you don't need to type your user ID again and again, right? Once you are done with it, you can just click on sign in, and after that you will able to access the interface, right? So this is very easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to subscribe.